Welcome back to Eat Clean Daily. Today I'm sharing one of my favorite healthy desserts, this soft, moist, flourless ricotta almond cake. It's naturally gluten-free, low-carb, and perfect if you're trying to eat clean or manage your sugar levels. Best part? It tastes like a bakery-style cake, but it's made with simple, wholesome ingredients. Let's start with what you'll need: ricotta cheese, almond flour, eggs, separated yolks and whites, monk fruit sweetener, butter, vanilla extract, lemon zest, almond flakes, optional topping. These ingredients are simple, clean, and perfect for a healthier lifestyle. First, take your egg yolks and monk fruit sweetener and whisk them together until smooth and creamy. This step is important. It creates a rich, slightly fluffy base for our cake. Now add melted butter, vanilla extract, ricotta cheese, and fresh lemon zest. That lemon zest gives a light, refreshing flavor. It really makes this cake special. Next, add your almond flour and mix everything until smooth. You'll notice the batter is thick and creamy. That's exactly what we want. In a separate bowl, beat your egg whites until they become thick and fluffy. This step is the secret to making the cake light and airy, even without regular flour. Now gently fold the egg whites into your ricotta mixture. Take your time here, don't rush. Folding gently keeps the air inside the batter, which makes the cake soft and fluffy. Pour the mixture into your baking pan. And sprinkle almond flakes on top for a beautiful, crunchy finish. Bake in a preheated oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit, 175 degrees Celsius, until golden on top. Your kitchen will smell amazing at this point. Let the cake cool completely. Then lightly sprinkle monk fruit sweetener powder on top for that perfect final touch. It's soft, slightly creamy from the ricotta, and perfectly sweet without sugar. If you're looking for a healthy dessert that doesn't spike your blood sugar, this is a must-try. For more clean, simple, and delicious recipes, don't forget to subscribe to Eat Clean Daily. Like this video, share it with a friend, and comment below. Would you try this cake?